We spend lakhs on tiles to make our homes look beautiful. But if the bond underneath isn't right, you get hollow sounds, cracks, and tiles that eventually come loose. Most people think ordinary cement is enough, but your floor deserves better. Introducing SikaCeram 125 Easy Fix, a ready-to-use cementitious tile adhesive designed for quick fixes and small-time jobs. SikaCeram 125 Easy Fix is ideal for installing or repairing ceramic tiles on walls and floors. It's perfect for residential spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, balconies, and even light commercial areas. Renovating? Forget the mess of breaking old tiles. SikaCeram 125 is specially formulated for tile-on-tile application. It saves you time, reduces debris, and gives you a rock-solid new floor in half the time. It's the smart choice for quick home makeovers. Surface is king. Whether it's concrete or old tile, ensure it's clean, dry, and structurally sound. Add SikaCeram 125 to clean water. Use a mechanical stirrer for a lump-free creamy paste. Let it slump or rest for 5 minutes, then mix again. This activates the polymers. Press the tile firmly. Notice the performance. Zero slips on balls, giving you perfect alignment every time. What makes SikaCeram 125 Easy Fix stand out? Easy to mix and apply. Good workability with strong adhesion. Suitable for small and fast repair jobs. And the same reliable performance you can expect from Sika. Whether you're a professional tiler, a contractor, or a DIY homeowner, SikaCeram 125 Easy Fix helps you get the job done quickly and correctly. Why choose okay performing products when Sika delivers the best? Great grip, easy to use, and it won't dry on you. Do it once and you're done for life. With decades of construction expertise worldwide, Sika delivers trusted solutions built for performance, durability, and ease of use. For fast tile repairs and easy installation, choose SikaCeram 125 Easy Fix. Simple application, yet strong results.